What's up? Danny Hayasaka here, and I'm doing a quick test to compare the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex with the newer Lenovo dual mode or ThinkPad dual mode ANC foldable wireless. It's got a really long name headset here, and because they're very similar in terms of the form factor and the way the microphone comes out. And so I wanted to do a quick microphone test in a Teams meeting with the blender running in the background, just so you guys can hear how these two perform side by side. And so there's the blender, there's my decibel reader. So first up is the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. All right, so there's the blender running in the background. You all know what a blender sounds like. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex in a Teams meeting with Teams voice isolation turned on. And then I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so now I've turned off Teams voice isolation. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex with no Teams voice isolation turned on and the blender running in the background. And so now let's switch over to the Lenovo. Okay, so now I have the Lenovo ThinkPad 8550 headset. And so currently there's nothing playing in the background. The other thing that I'm going to share is what I hear in terms of the ANC. Okay, so I wanted to share my thoughts on the active noise canceling. So the active noise canceling, or ANC, is the technology used to suppress the background noise that you hear while wearing the headset. And so in this instance, when I'm comparing the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex to the Lenovo ThinkPad 8550 headset, they're both comparable. They're very similar in terms of what they suppress, what they block out. Like, for example, my dog's barking right now. I don't know if you can hear that, but I could hear him barking even though I did have ANC on here. ANC was on, and so I could hear my dog barking. If I turn the TV on, I'm going to be able to hear the TV, and you can definitely hear the blender even with ANC on. Now, but what it does do is does muffle it. It suppresses it so that it's not as loud as it would be without wearing the headset. And so when it comes to which one has stronger performing active noise canceling, I'm going to have to give it up to the Lenovo. Again, they're very comparable, but there's just a slight more suppression coming from the Lenovo than from the Jabra. But again, both are excellent choices so far. In terms of comfort, I think the Jabra is way more comfortable than the Lenovo. And I'm not saying that the Lenovo is not comfortable, but based on my preferences and based on me wearing these for a while compared to these, yeah, these are lighter, more comfortable in my opinion. But anyway, I just wanted to share my thoughts on that. Notice also the microphone for the Jabra was on the right side, where the microphone for the Lenovo is on the left side. It is fixed, so you can't like switch it or swap it. The microphone is on the left side for this guy, and the microphone is on the right side for the Jabra. And so now let's run this guy. All right, so now I have the Lenovo ThinkPad 8550 headset, the blender running in the background. And I also have Teams voice isolation turned on. And so I'm going to turn it off now. Okay, so now I've turned off the Teams voice isolation. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Lenovo ThinkPad 8550 in a Teams meeting with Teams voice isolation turned off. All right, so there's just a quick side-by-side comparison of these two headsets because, again, if you look at them side by side, especially when they're folded, they look very similar. If you like this type of content or if you have any questions about any of the products that I test on this channel, reach out, comment. I read every single comment and do my best to answer every single question as quickly as I can. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.